As we get further into October, leaf cleanup has become almost an everyday chore for some people. While the job may seem tedious, state DNR officials say your work has a bigger impact than you might realize. Andrew Kiekefer explains.
We're brewing phosphorus tea.
Wisconsin DNR water resource engineer Amy Meinzer shares the need to keep leaves contained to the right surfaces.
The main thing is we want to get the nutrients from the leaves back into the soil and not have it run off into the storm water.
Amy suggests using the leaves as mulch or compost. Alternatively, locals can turn to their municipalities to contain the leaves. Regardless of your preferred method of cleaning up those crunchy leaves, just know that the main priority is to not let those leaves get into our waterways.
We do take in a couple thousand cubic yards of leaves every fall.
Says Dustin Bonak, street superintendent for the city of Merrill. He goes on to share that leaves in the storm drains can cause urban flooding and harm aquatic ecosystems.
An excess amount of leaves deposited into those rivers results in a lot of extra phosphorus. Down the road, that creates algae blooms, and it really takes away from the oxygen that's available to the plants and the fish in the waterways.
The Wisconsin DNR has discovered from studies in Madison, Fond du Lac, and Oshkosh that municipality efforts reduce the phosphorus in those areas.
By collecting the leaves and then street cleaning right afterwards, 3 or 4 times throughout the season, you can reduce that fall discharge by about 40%.
Reporting from Merrill, Andrew Kiekefer, Newswatch 12.